fishing today. This is the catch of the day, yeah? A bit frozen. Guys, this piece of ice that I'm holding is 1,000 years old and come to us from this glacier. Do you know the name of the glacier? Completely frozen when they filmed James Bond, Die Another Day. The black lines are volcanic ashes from different eruptions. When you see completely black or dirty, could be volcanic ash, black sand, or some ground that the wind left on the top of the glacier.